Today we are going to learn about how to add auto caption in Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. In project panel, drag and drop the clip into the sequence. Now go to the text panel. As you can see, then click on the clip which you want. And here you can see create caption transcript. Create new caption track, import captions from file. But right now we are going to create caption from transcript. Create captions. It will take time. Now you get to see the auto caption has enabled and it has created. So you can see the subtitle has been added, and this is called auto caption in Premiere Pro. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.